welcome to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. My channel is about all things beauty related, all kinds of makeup content. Today's video is my August Ipsy Boxycharm Iconic Box unboxing. So I just got mine in the mail today. It is July 31st. So I'm going to try and have this up August 1st. And these are my August Ipsy boxes. So we're going to jump right in. So Ipsy mails you 5 deluxe sample products a month. You can sign up below in my affiliate link, but you get 5 deluxe samples of makeup products, and you also can get Boxycharm where you get 5 full-size makeup products, and you can do the iconic box where you get 8 full-size makeup products, but that is done quarterly. And yeah, it's really fun. It's a great way to try out new makeup and explore other brands. So it's super exciting. I have been a makeup subscription box person since like college. It's really helped me grow my makeup collection. And we're gonna jump right into my Ipsy August box. So right away I have a makeup blending sponge. Love that. I will definitely get some use out of that. And then this is the the Beauty Olympics. So here is the Glam Bag. And there's 5 deluxe samples in here. So right away I see an eyeshadow palette. I actually already opened my box because like as soon as it comes, I want to know what I got. Like I can't wait. But anyway, so eyeshadow palette, the Beauty Vault Regal palette. And it looks like a fall tone eyeshadow palette. These gorgeous orange burgundy shades. I've never heard of this brand, but sounds fun. So got the I'm Red Wine Pore Tightening Tommy Molly face mask. That's kind of cool. I've actually never tried this brand either. I've seen them at Target. And here is a sample size of the new Professional Matte Primer by Benefit. Super excited to try out that primer. And here is a body souffle. What's this, body lotion? And here is a Stone Street Soap House Wholesome Body Souffle. So it's like a body lotion sample. Love that. And it comes with a cute little glam bag. So those are my 5 deluxe sample makeup products. And now for the super exciting Boxycharm Ipsy Glam Bag. So again, it is the Beauty Olympics. So right away, I got the Il Makiage highlighter. Ooh, I want to swatch this. So this is the Il Makiage Give Me More Mineral Baked Highlighter. Looks like that. Just want to see how nice this is. Wow. So that is a creamy, stunning. I already have swatches on my back of my hand here. Ooh, that's a nice highlighter. I will get some use out of that for sure. And this is the Fleer MB Eyes Baby Eye Cream. So it's an anti-aging eye cream. And then this is a Lip Potion Overnight Lip Mask by Cobos. Lip mask. A little tube. Always use a nice lip mask. And I got this Keys Soul Care Firm Belief Soothing Peptide Cream. So I've heard of this brand. I've never tried anything of theirs. Ooh, so it looks like, it says I am stronger than I know. But super excited to try this out. And then, oh yeah, the eye cream. Let's open up the eye cream. So this is the eye cream. We're gonna open that up as well. Looks like that. There is a very exciting eyeshadow palette in here. I would love to do a tutorial with this. This is the iconic London Treat Yourself eyeshadow palette. I love this pink metallic. You can see that. So pretty. And it comes with this huge mirror. Gorgeous eyeshadows. Like they scream summer. They're so pretty. I got a iconic London eyeshadow palette and a Boxycharm previously. Ooh, the Toffee Whip looks nice. And it was so nice. Like Yeah, I love iconic London products. Super excited for that. So I plan on filming a tutorial with this eyeshadow palette. I think that'd be really fun, especially because I know a lot of people probably got this eyeshadow palette in their box. So those are the products for the Boxycharm. So those were the 5 full-size makeup products. So here it is. Here's Ipsy, and then it says the iconic box. Christy and John live like a legend. So it's like a little newspaper, and ooh, right away. So there's a brush set in here, little. All right, so little brush set. You get these brushes. They're nice quality. Ooh, they feel nice. The handles feel really nice. And then with some Fenty skincare. This is the Boxycharm. This is their Niacinamide Dark Spot Serum. Oh my gosh, I've never tried anything Fenty skincare, and I'm so excited. So excited. Okay, so that's what she looks like. Ooh, so cool. The top just spins off. So cool. Actually, I hope I'm doing it right. Oh, so I think you push this. Anyway. Can't wait to use her. I love niacinamide products. It really does help my skin. So super excited for that. So that's product number 2. So we have the brushes and this Fenty Skin Serum. Another iconic London product. So this is the multi-use cream blush bronze and highlight palette. Oh my. The packaging from the outside is so nice. Ooh, look how pretty. Oh look, it's like a direct reflection of my camera. So pretty. And highlight, ooh, it's a cream multi-use blush bronzer highlight palette. Cover fell off. So pretty. I've never used their cream products. So excited. It's really, really nice, this whole entire palette. So excited to use this. And that's product number 3 in the iconic box. This is called Femu. I've never heard of this brand. Femu Brilliant Cleansing Gel. It's a gentle foaming gel cleanser. Looks really nice. I love trying new face washes. So that is product number 4. And there's a Kosas lip product. So excited for this. I love Kosas lip products. I bought like Sephora, you can get the little like sample kit things they have, and I bought the Kosas one and I love the products. So this is in the shade High Cut. I love this blue packaging. This feels like full size. I mean, it has to be full size. But yeah, I love their blue packaging. This is a lipstick. High Cut. All right, so this is their lipstick. It's a really pretty nude shade. This shade is so up my alley. So excited for this. Oh my goodness. Love, 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 love this blue packaging. Oh my gosh, it smells good too. It smells like chocolate. Oh, this is a Kat Von D primer. Never used this. This is a pore refining primer by Kat Von D. Super excited to try this out. So that is product number 6. And oh my goodness, so my wife loves these Sephora what do they call them? Like glow pads. But these are the First Aid Beauty facial radiance pads with glycolic acid and lactic acids. Glycolic acid and lactic acid. And I love the brand First Aid Beauty. I love a lot of their face products as well. Oh, and this is so cute. You get the Patchology Serve Chilled on Ice. My wife uses these more than I do. When I get them, she likes to use them a lot more than I do. I use them, but I just kind of forget about them, but they're little eye patches for underneath your eyes. And those are the 8 products for the iconic box. So such a deal. So I'm gonna have all the details below for you to sign up. But it's just so much fun to get makeup in the mail and just grow your collection and try new things. Like I've never heard of this brand, but I can't wait to try their face soap. And same with the brand Keys, that face moisturizer. I've seen the brand, but I haven't tried any of their products. So I'm super excited to try that out. And you know, just Boxycharm, Ipsy, They're just fun ways to try new products and grow your collection. So that completes my August unboxing. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.